ISPW, September 5th, 2010. The Sicilian Mob is coming to New Jersey. Freehold, once again. Don Caruso stepping down for one night, and I'm passing it over to my son. But on September 5th, there's going to be a new induction of a new member of the Sicilian Mob. His name, I can't give it to you yet. Watch after September 5th. Because when you see, you will be shocked who this man is. And be prepared, he's going to take the world. He's going to take the independent circuit by storm. He may take up with Richard Michaels. He may not. He may go become a world champion. He may not. Or he just might be a manager. Who knows? But after September 5th, the world is going to see the newest member of the Sicilian Mob. And one more thing. Happy birthday, Nicky boy. Enjoy your party tomorrow. Because the Don is stepping back, and you got the reins to control Richard Michaels and the mystery guest. See you tomorrow, buddy.